It's no wonder successful people like Apple's Tim Cook and former President Obama swear by this habit. In this video, we break down 9 powerful strategies that will change your life. First, we'll show you how to boost your day and stay energized. Second, learn how to achieve your goals by staying focused. Third, discover how to reclaim your time and be more productive. Fourth, find out how to achieve more by doing less. Fifth, we'll talk about how to become rich by adopting the right mindset. Sixth, unlock the success code for lasting results. Seventh, see how to live life on your terms and pursue your passions. Eighth, learn how to get bigger results with simple actions. And finally, discover how to achieve your dreams. And as a bonus, we've got something special for you at the end, so stay tuned. Want to start your day with energy and purpose?
Beep, beep, beep.
Let's face it, mornings can be chaos. When we start our day in a rush, it's hard to catch up. We forget things, stress out, and feel overwhelmed. But what if I told you there's a simple solution? Try waking up early and planning your day ahead. Take just 10 minutes each morning to plan your top 3 tasks. This sets the tone for a productive day. By starting early, you get a head start on your day. You can prioritize important tasks and boost productivity. The results? You'll feel more in control and less stressed. It's no wonder successful people like Apple's Tim Cook and former President Obama swear by this habit. Imagine waking up at 6:30 a.m., planning your day, and tackling your toughest task first. The sense of accomplishment will keep you moving forward. Ready to boost your day? Remember, wake up early and plan. Are you tired of setting goals and never achieving them? Here's the secret to success. Long-term goals give you direction, but breaking them into daily steps makes them achievable. Think of it like building a house. You can't just snap your fingers and have it done. Each brick you lay brings you closer to your dream home. When you focus on small, actionable tasks, you're making progress every day. This builds momentum and prevents overwhelm. Let's say you want to run a marathon. Break it down into smaller steps like running 3 times a week, then gradually increase the distance. You'll be prepared when race day comes. So, what's your big goal? Start by breaking it into tiny, manageable pieces. Tackle one step at a time and watch your dreams become reality. Remember, every small step counts. Keep going and you'll crush your goals daily. You've got this. You need to hear this if you're tired of work swallowing up your life. Here's how to reclaim your time. Work-life balance is key for your mental and physical health. Imagine yourself as Richard Branson, who makes time for relaxation to boost productivity. Step 1, set clear boundaries. Decide when work stops and personal time begins. Step 2, take breaks. Seriously, step away from that screen and breathe. Step 3, don't bring work home. Your home is your sanctuary, not an extension of the office. By investing in your personal life, you'll be more energized and effective at work. Remember, a happy you means a productive you. So go on, take back your life. This is gonna blow your mind. You can achieve more by doing less. Intrigued? The 80-20th principle says that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. Imagine focusing on what truly matters and seeing your productivity skyrocket. Here's a real-life example. If you're a writer, your most impactful work, with 20%, might be drafting your first version. Editing, while necessary, could be delegated or minimized. Focus on what makes the biggest difference. This principle can transform your daily routine. Identify your top 2, 3 most important tasks each day and prioritize them. Delegate, automate, or even eliminate the rest. Remember, working smarter, not harder, is the key. By zeroing in on the 20% that drives 80% of your result, you can achieve more with less effort. So, what are your top tasks? Start today and watch your productivity soar. This is going to blow your mind. Small, regular investments can make you rich. Imagine planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into a towering tree. That's exactly how investing works. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, started investing in his teens with just a few dollars. You don't need to be wealthy to start. Just begin with what you have. Try this. Invest 10% of your income into stocks or a retirement fund each month. Over time, even small amounts can grow significantly thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's like giving your money a little push and then watching it roll down the hill, gathering more and more momentum. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Regular investing is like developing a good habit. It's all about consistency and patience. So, plant your seed today and watch your wealth grow tomorrow. Ready to start your journey? Let's make those small steps together and soon you'll see big gains. Start investing regularly and achieve more. I am sure you have heard the news. Successful people like Elon Musk and Oprah Winfrey have cracked the success code. Let's dive in. Let's start with Elon Musk. The man behind Tesla and SpaceX swears by innovation and risk-taking. He didn't just think outside the box, he redefined the box. Next, Oprah Winfrey's secret: resilience. She faced countless challenges but never gave up. Oprah teaches us to turn setbacks into comebacks. So, what's the takeaway? Innovate like Musk and stay resilient like Oprah. Embrace risks and don't let failures hold you back. Want more tips? Read their books, watch their interviews, and let their wisdom fuel your journey. Remember, success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Stay inspired and keep pushing forward. If you're an entrepreneur, you need to hear this. Financial independence isn't just a dream, it's your future. Financial independence means living life on your terms. It's about saving, investing, and creating passive income streams that let your money work for you. Imagine having the freedom to focus on your passions, not just working to pay the bill. First up, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money's going. Next, cut unnecessary expenses. Do you really need those daily lattes? Probably not. Then, invest in your future. Start with simple, low-cost index funds or real estate. Remember, the goal is to make your money grow while you sleep. Finally, build passive income streams. This could be anything from rental properties to online businesses. The idea is to create income that doesn't require your constant effort. By taking these steps, you'll build a secure foundation and achieve the financial independence you deserve. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you don't like the results you're getting but still do what you've always done, then it's time to change with consistency. Success isn't about grand gestures or big moments. It's the result of repeated, consistent actions. Imagine you're trying to get fit. One intense workout won't make a difference, but exercising just a bit every day, that's where the magic happens. The compound effect of daily habits leads to massive success over time. Every small step you take adds up. It's like building a wall, brick by brick. Think about learning a new skill. Practicing for 15 minutes every day is more effective than cramming for hours once a month. It's the consistent effort that counts. So, set small, achievable goals. Celebrate your daily wins. And remember, consistency is your secret weapon. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and watch your progress soar. You've got this. Ever wonder how top athletes achieve their dreams? The secret's out. It's all in the mind. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps you stay motivated and focused. By imagining yourself achieving your goals, you mentally prepare for success. Athletes and top performers use this technique to enhance their performance. Take a few minutes each day to visualize your success. Picture yourself achieving your goals. This will help you take inspired action and stay focused on your path. Imagine the sights, the sounds, and the feelings of success. The more vivid your visualization, the more effective it is. So next time you set a goal, don't just wish for it. See it, feel it, live it in your mind, and watch as your dreams start to become your reality. Start visualizing today and let your journey to success begin. Why are there not more people talking about celebrating their wins? Because it's the secret sauce to lasting motivation. Celebrating success, big or small, reinforces positive behavior and boosts your confidence. It's like giving yourself a high five. Plus, it keeps you motivated for the next challenge. Even big names like Steve Jobs took time to celebrate milestones. Think about it. When you finish a tough task, don't just move on to the next thing. Take a moment to reward yourself. It could be a walk, a favorite treat, or a small outing. This little celebration tells your brain, hey, that was awesome. Let's do more of this. Remember, every win, no matter the size, is a step towards your bigger goals. So next time you achieve something, big or small, celebrate it. You deserve it. Keep celebrating and watch your motivation soar. Today we covered some of the best life-changing habits. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome life-changing tips.